peoples of the planet. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Is it too loud? Is it too loud? Let me lower. Welcome everybody. Hitmax, James. Thanks guys. Let's start opening here. I increased the volume of the stream. So maybe it's louder now. But hopefully you guys can adjust your audio. Oh boy. I'm not gonna be working in the inventory tonight. I'm taking a break of it. It's too much. Too much inventory. Let me open Visual Studio here. There's other things that I need to fix. I know that we need to fix. So I'm probably gonna be working on those things. You know, little things here and there. Because I need to get at least, hopefully this weekend, when I get the day off, I'm gonna try to do some work in this inventory, because I'm gonna have to change more than what I was thinking to make this thing work. So what I was thinking to do today, I was thinking to this UI here, I need to find a way, because I want to disable it, right? So I can make the alpha. I am thinking display, this host, these settings here, they would go away. The only tab available on the alpha would be the connect, right? So let's just play here, see if the game is not broken. Why is that scene telling me that? Oh, now it's saved. For some reason, I didn't change anything. You're crazy. So this screen still will be available, right? But only connect in there should be enabled. Let me push play here. Do I have the PC sounds? Let me put the PC and everything up so I get the warnings. There we go. Why is it? Huh. Did you guys notice that? I have... Let me stop here for a second and play again. I had kind of like a little bit of frame drops on when I was pulling the weapon out. KDO is online? Yeah, I saw that he's streaming. KDO is awesome, man. KDO is awesome. I saw that he was streaming. I think he started streaming, it was like 4, I think. Yeah, I think it was 4 when he started, unless I'm wrong. Unless I'm wrong. Watch, let's see if that happens again. So it looks like it's just the first time we start Unity. Yeah. The first time we start Unity and the first time that we pull the weapon out, we get that error. There is one more thing I want to do. I want to make that... Because right now, we are only dropping blueprints from those barrels, right? So I'm thinking that we could, besides of dropping blueprints, we could drop water and food, some sort of food. And probably right now would be cooked food, right? Because that's the only one we have. Because at this point, I was thinking, at this point, there's no way to survive here. Because there is no random. Yeah, it would be random between water and cooked food, right? You would get a blueprint and then food or water. That would be random. And the blueprint always would be random, right? You get one, but would be random. At least for the alpha. So you guys can go grab the blueprints. Let me lower the music here. You guys could go grab the blueprints, start crafting, building stuff. But in the same time, you would be able to have water and food because there is no animals to grab raw meat at this point. And there is nothing where you could get water. So it would be coming from the barrels at this point, right? Okay. Let me stop this and let's go to the barrels. Let me close all those things here. Can I close all? Close all documents. There we go. Let me see if I find it here. Barrel resource. Let me double check which script am I using, because I had many. Is the audio okay for you guys? I think it looks everything fine to me, but I increase. I was like 10 or 5 gain on OBS, so I'm not sure. It's okay. Thanks, Hitmax. Okay, let me see here. So we are using barrel resource. Right? Yeah, that's the one that we have open. Okay, let's start working on that guy. So we have damageable. This, I was thinking to move this damageable interface to a different component. It would be just a component, right? Because right now here, this script is doing everything, right? It's taking the damage, it's creating the research to drop, and all that stuff. But let's do that later. On serialize, what we are serializing here. Full name. Okay, this is the information that we need to grab the position in the map, pretty much, and then damage that should be applied. This probably should be calculated based on the weapon that you're using, right? We need to change that in the future. So let's take a look in this damageable interface here. So apply damage. We are calling the manager. Let's take a look in that. We are calling this and we are sending message index. This is the message. Mr. Syrian, welcome, my man. Nice to see ya. We are updating the health. The last time that we disabled the barrel. So there's one more thing. Very hot day here. Right here was hot, but I just turned on the AC here, so it's feeling good. It's feeling good. So let me go back here. We have the time, and then we need to find a way to calculate this time, and then based on the time that we choose, the barrel would have to reappear. It probably would be very fast, like we are doing with the trees, right? Because it's gonna be alpha. You guys are gonna be testing. You guys are not gonna be grinding stuff. So you're gonna get a barrel, and probably like 5 minutes later, the barrel is gonna be back there. In the real game, probably is gonna take like, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, 2 hours. I have no idea how much that would be in the real game, but for alpha, like every, I don't know, 5 minutes, that would be good. Mortal, welcome to the stream, man. So we need a way to calculate that and respawn. Let me see this, what this is doing. Okay, just updating. Updating the spawn resource in there. Oh, Mortal is killing the boss. Okay, that looks good. I want to see where am I adding the items here. Item selector. So right here, we are calling a different manager to drop this object, right? I've been too depressed to work a lot of my game the last couple of days. Dude, why you're depressed? Don't be depressed, man. I should be depressed. I like, my legs right now are hurting so bad. You have no idea. I took 2 ibuprofen just to be able to handle the pain, right? But don't be sad, man. Don't be sad. That happens to the best of us. Misa, like, I got tired of that inventory. For how long am I working that inventory, right? Say, enough is enough. I need to take a break from it. Then next day I get a day off. I'm gonna sit and go through it and change it, because there's a lot of things I need to change. So if you guys get depressed a little bit because of your game, don't go crazy about it. Just let it be, and you guys will feel it after you let it go for a little bit. Just don't bother about it. Don't think about it, or don't even think like, oh, I'm depressed because of that, I should be working. Like, don't even do that. Just forget about it and do something else, because it comes back, and then you're gonna feel good, and then you say, yeah, I'm gonna crush it tonight. Yeah, don't even worry, man. Let me double check this guy here. So from the drop manager, we are passing a list of items. Item selector. So looks like we have an interface called item selector in the resource. And the resource is wherever I have the barrel resource. So that's not the component. And it's not wanting to go that fast, but dude, don't like, did you see how long I'm working that inventory? Every crazy day that I'm streaming, and every day I'm trying a different thing, and trying different thing, and trying different thing. At least it's been 21 days. At least it's 3 weeks that I'm on that. But even before that, I had to implement the inventory. I had a bunch of challenges just to implement the inventory, and now I'm having another one, right? And I am going through the challenge in front of you guys. Actually, I was watching a video today that's very cool. Very cool. Let me find here. I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna look at my phone, but it's because I'm trying to look for the video. Just give me 1 second here. I'm gonna post for you guys. Where is it? I want to see the title so I can... What? It didn't save in my history? What? How I didn't save in my history? I just... Wait a second. Huh. I'm not sure what happened. Where did I watch that? It must be in my phone. One second, guys. One second. Sorry, I'm looking my phone and streaming, but look, I found it. I don't know why I didn't save in my history though. Let me try search for you here. 1 second. What's the title? Right there. Let me grab. Watch this. This is kind of like what they are talking about is shortening. If you guys Michael, welcome to the stream. If you guys don't want to watch that video, but I think you should when you get a minute. But that video, it's kind of like people talking about developers, and then they were saying developers should be more open to the community, right? And then there's a developer that's a really known developer, kind of like talking about it, why sometimes the development, they are more close to it and they don't talk much about it, because literally of these challenges that every developer have when you're developing a game. And sometimes when you're going through those challenges, the community sometimes does not understand, right? They don't know everything that needs to be done, or they have no idea how hard it is, right? And then you get all these people talking. You guys should watch the video. Watch the video, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. And it's really hard. So imagine like even like when people that do streams and actually code live, it's like way more difficult, right? Because you're kind of like opening up all your hard sweat and tears that you put in your game, and you go through challenges, you know, and sometimes people don't understand. People, they speak their minds, they speak what they think it is, but you guys should watch that video. You guys will understand what I'm talking about, what it is about. But it's hard, Mortal. Like it's hard. It's hard for you, it's hard for me, and it's hard for big studios that have really good developers. Those people, they have challenges like any other person, right? I guess the only difference is that the games that are working on are played by millions of people, and then it's way harder, you know, when you have a challenge or something like that, to say like, oh, why you guys didn't implement this feature, or right? That's why I don't stream you working. Yeah. A lot of people, they have no idea how a game is made, right? Yeah, exactly, Michael. Why can't your game handle 1K users? Oh boy. But you know, it is the planet. You know, there is all sorts of people out there. And some people, sometimes they are not even saying anything to be trolls or nothing. They literally, they don't know, right? Sometimes I even see like YouTube people that do gameplays and stuff talking about it, engines, and the guys are saying so much like nonsense, and they are like YouTube people that has a lot of people that watch them, and they were talking like nonsense, like, oh, this game is because of this, because they need to upgrade the engine. What are you talking about? What that specific thing has nothing to do with the engine. But imagine if the guy that's creating the video is saying things like that. Imagine that people just play the games, right? You cannot expect people to know, right? So that's when people come and ask like weird stuff. I come from the what's the word? I assume that they literally don't know. They are genuinely asking that because they don't know, right? But it is what it is. It's the same thing if you... I know about cars, but I don't know a lot about cars. So maybe some things that I will talk about cars, for a mechanic, they will look at me and say, Jeff, are you crazy? Or what are you talking about? But I am genuinely, I don't know, right? So where is that interface, bro? Where is that interface, bro? In there? Maybe. Are bad since use bad engine. Love the chatting kid, your channel was funny. Yeah, man, but you know, it is what it is. You cannot expect that people just, oh, I know how development goes, or, right? Get item. It's just crazy. Crazy stuff, my man. So, what are we calling here? We are calling get items. Get items. We are calling this. Just build a game inside your game? Dude, like, well, you guys know, right? For so long are we working in the inventory thing and it's not working, right? I didn't find like the best way to go about it. And that's just one little thing inside the game. Do you even think about an inventory system when you're playing a game? Probably not. You probably never stopped and think, when I drag this item that's in this campfire to my inventory, you don't even think what's going on in the back. You just drag inventory, drag, and go about your thing that you're doing, right? But this thing that we are stuck for 20-something days is just to make that work correctly, right? And most of the time, people don't even think about it. And that's just one thing about the game. What about the character? What about the character movement? What about the network synchronization of the character? What about the icons? What about the panels? All the UI panels? Everything. The trees, the barrels, the weapons, the bullets, the... It's just insane. But most of it, people don't even think about it when they are playing. That's good. That's good, you know, when you're just having fun and playing and not keep getting bothered by bugs. That's, I guess, to me, that will be the best game, right? When you don't even notice anything that's happening, or you do, but you notice for a good reason. I do, since I was interested in, yeah, you know, as a developer, of course, we're gonna think about those things, right? Yep. Unity came at bad games. Yeah. Yeah, Unity has that, you know. Yeah. Not even talking about SQLite, that you need to save all the items. If the server goes down, the items need to go back to the place that they were, like all that stuff. Clay Cree, welcome to the streamer, man. Who is Jason? To export him? Oh boy. So, get items. We have two ways to get the items here. By a random type. Is that random type? Yeah, this one is random type. And is blueprint. Okay. And then we return the items. Okay, so I'm thinking here, how am I going to, because there is two implementations here. If you do random by type, so if we check mark here to be random, we need to select the type. So let's say if I do weapon, it will be random. It will drop a random weapon every time. So watch this. Watch. At least this is what I'm getting at. Clay Cree, dude. Congrats, man. So let's try destroy a thing here. We should be getting weapons now. Yeah, we got an M4. Come on. I'm thinking, how am I going to implement? Yeah, M4. Why is it not randomizing it? I flipped my bike. Welcome to the stream, man. Just visiting. Oh boy. Why is it not being random? Who wrote this code? Ghost Rider, my man. What's up, dude? Welcome to the stream. Where's my loot? Where's my loot? Who wrote this code, man? I wanna talk to the developer of this game. This is messed up. Where's the support phone number? I need the toll number. The person that wrote this code. I'm not getting my loot. And my loot's not random. I have that weapon already. I don't wanna. Get random ID. Is this thing failing it? You make us whisper him now to cut down the spam. Yeah, I did for the spin. Yeah. Michael, oh, now you need to whisper to it. Yeah. Don't understand Germany. Cat. So we grab the database here. We get all the items IDs. So debug.log. Let's do items, item X. I need to remember to start using the new style of coding here. No, I don't need that. And that will be ID, right? Let me copy the filter here. I don't understand Germany too at the moment. Man, it's so much better not seeing that inventory code. You guys have no idea. Just by working in something different makes a lot of difference. ID 3. I flipped my bike. That's a nice username, man. Shotgun. Now we got the shotgun. Is it caching the ID after the first one? No. That's impossible. ID 6. Did I got so unlucky before that I got 3 M4s in a row? Yeah, we got the shotgun. Of course the shotgun, man, you crazy? Watch me. Look at that. Look at that. Shotgun. So, what? What is happening? Let me change here. That's a shotgun. I know, I said that I got a shotgun, but I have not equipped. You didn't give me time to explain. It's not working. Syrian, you're using the beta. Yeah, I heard people having issues with the beta. Right? AK-47. We got the AK-47. So, was just me being unlucky and getting the same exact thing every time before? You are really unlucky. What is that? AK-47? What? So 10. AK-47 is ID 7. What are you talking about? Oh, my friend. This is what we are returning. The ID is the index. The ID here is the index. Jesus. And then we can do just for so we can read this as a normal person. ID is equal item IDs index. See, rename the things correctly, Jeff. Why you do this type of thing? Now we have the ID. Okay, let's try again. I knew it. That was weird. Edward Snowden. Yeah, I think there is someone else that said that a long time ago. That I would look like him. What? What? How do I have a shotgun here? That's weird. So now my server has a mind of its own. Say, you know, you just spawn and I'm gonna give you a shotgun just to get started. Oh yeah, let's do it. You spawn in a game, bam, you got a shotgun. Just because. Just because you're nice. AK-47. Now we have the right ID. That makes more sense. AK-47. ID 9. ID 9 should be the sniper. So there is something not working here. So the IDs here are correct, right? So where is the problemo? Item selector. Drop item. Get items. So we are getting the items. And in this case would be only one item, right? So let me do this. This database ID here. Item type, okay. So let's debug this guy here. Let's do item base data, item name, and then let's do item base data dot id, like that. Now I understand what you're talking about. Did you watch the video? Election again. Yeah, man, I'm not even looking for news about politics because I don't. I know that I should be looking at it, but I just kind of got like depressed if I watch the news. Mainly if you live in Brazil, dude. Virus made me do this. Nice to see, bro. I agree with you. I agree with you. Pickaxe. The ID is 11. Okay. Where is our other barrel in here? Knife item 2, and that's a pickaxe. Okay, so the items list is being processed correctly. So after that, we are passing the items here. Something is messed up in this area. Most of people think that AFD makes more depressed. Yeah, dude, I don't even follow anything anymore. Item X. Item X. Okay, let me save this. Because I think this list here is getting messed up at some point. What am I doing with the connection ID? What? Let me do item X here again. I want to see all these messages. And then we have the client code here that has nothing on it. But I'm not totally agree with that. Yeah, Hitmax, some things, yeah. Sometimes I don't agree 100% with it as well. But some of the things that they're talking in there, it makes sense. Not all the time, not in all cases, but it happens, you know. That I agree with. But yeah, I don't agree with it 100% either. Mustard, dude. Welcome. It's good, man. It's good. Let me see here. I want to track. I'm gonna put the is it here, right? Yes. So I'm gonna put the item back here, and I want to see in the server what the server is dropping as well. Item X. The list, and this would be item base data dot name, and this will be item dot id. I think about it, new right, of course, that is that too, right? When you're doing it, a lot of people, even if you watch a little bit and you get like one little thing here and you get another little thing there, that already makes a difference. It's even with me, like when I'm watching you guys writing code, I am always learning like a little thing here, a little thing there, and that's helpful, right? That's the other side of the coin as well, right? There is that bad side, but also there is the good side of it, right? And I agree. But both sides exist at some level, you know? This is what I kind of like, what I agree with it. It's kind of like both sides, they exist, like the good side of it and the bad side of it. Let's double check here. And if you guys just got here, this is what we are talking about. I gave this video for the guys earlier to watch, and so this is kind of like what we are talking about. Hitmax is talking about. It's about that video. Don't punch me in the face. 1 second, guys. Hi, baby. You just got home? You got to be the boss? Oh yeah. Yeah, that one, Syrian. That one. It's kind of like, it kind of talks about why web developers sometimes they are not more open about their games and what they are doing. So it's kind of, they're talking about that side, and why some first, you know, some opinions why they are closed sometimes, and they would like to be more open with the community and this and that. But if you watch the video, you'll see. Yeah, go for it, Master. .id, and let's do the name here, the item name as well. Base item, base data dot item name, and let's say server. Could you imagine a blog post by a dev about a planned game feature? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like sometimes they even have a really good idea and say like, oh, let's implement. This is one of the reasons that I don't talk as much about the features that I want to do until I'm doing it, right? Because imagine if I start talking about all the features that I want to implement, and for some reason, at some point, I cannot implement them, right? Then what? Then what, my friend? Right? Then they're gonna say, Jeff is a liar. Jeff is a liar. I wish, man, I wish I could just spill the beans and say, guys, this is what's gonna happen. But I cannot. Cannot do that. Dude, stop thinking about it. No Man's Sky. You need to be super careful what you say. Right? Pickaxe. Okay, so that's fine. We got a pickaxe. Let's go to that barrel. So the first pickaxe was fine. SMK. And why does it say pickaxe? What are your problem? And it is a pickaxe. What are you talking about? Let's take a look in this pickup here. Go to the definition. So we are setting the ID, the type, and the quantity, right? And the pickup. So let me see here. Let me see. Item icon. Go to definition. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Do you see the problemo right there? Can't handle my gambling addiction. Can you guys tell me if you see the error? Because I see it. The problem is when we pick up the first item, it shows correctly because the item is null. And then we actually get the item by ID. After that point, the item is not null anymore. So we get the same thing. So, just for giggles, where are you? Right here. Item equals to null. I don't want to change this though, right? Because I could do this. I could remove that check. But then if you don't pick up the item, every time that you raycast into it, you're gonna run this method here. So I rather, if that works, I rather just the server sets to null and then sets the new one, the new information, right? And that's gonna be the item available for pickup until someone pick up. Next time we generate a new one, we null the item and we say, okay, this is the info for the new item. If that works. Yeah, because the player when you have a drop in the floor, the player is raycasting to it. So when you raycast to it, you see the UI for the pickup, right? That's how it's done. It's not done by collision detection or nothing like that. You need to raycast into it. Homework item pickup. Read chapters 33 and 34. Oh man. So let's, oops. I wanted that weapon. Why are you putting it away? Dude. So now we get what? We got a sniper. Do we get a sniper? Yes, we do. I like snipers. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Just spawned in the game and I got a sniper. That's what I'm talking about. I don't need to grind. Just spawn into it. KDO! Thanks for the host, man. Appreciate it. Everybody coming from KDO, welcome everybody. And KDO, thanks for the host, man. I don't know if you're here, but if you are, thank you. KDO, there we go. Look that face. Look that face, dude. Thanks for the host, KDO. Appreciate it, man. I really do. Thank you so much, man. Hopefully today we're not having issues with the audio. And everybody coming from KDO, welcome everybody. By the way, Ray, thanks for the follow, man. KDO, just to let you know, Playcraft, welcome Playcraft. I got Lilybite, nice to see ya. What else? Moneybags Gaming, welcome to the stream, my friend. I got the tickets for TwitchCon, and the best of it, Twitch gave it to me. Yes, they gave it to me. I sent an email to them and they say, hey, Twitch people, can you send me an invite for a ticket for TwitchCon? It doesn't need to be a big ticket, you know, a little ticket, so I'm little, I can get in. And they say, yeah, Jeff, you're good. Here's the ticket. Bam. Free, dude. Free. I'm gonna take a picture. You don't believe me? Oh, you don't believe me. Okay. Dude, money bags. Thanks for the follow, bro. Let me take a picture for you guys here, so you guys will believe me. I'm gonna take a screenshot. How can I do this? There we go. Let me find the app here for this screenshot. There we go. New. And then let's copy all that. Bam. Look at that. Twitch Developer Day TwitchCon. Congratulations, we're thrilled to accept you to our first ever Developer Day TwitchCon. That access, blah blah blah. So looks like I need to go to the first day for the developers, and then they would give me the other tickets for the other days. Bam! So now where is your invite, man? Where is your invite? Now I have it. Fake Photoshop. Fake Twitch. Yeah, dude. Now you need to get yours, KDO. I'm not cool enough. Dude. They probably would send you one, KDO. They probably would send you, man. Because you stream and you do game development. So... why is that a picture of a chick in their underwear on your screen? Oh, that's my, are you talking about this one? That's my, background. That's my wallpaper. I'm not developer enough. Yeah. Dude, money bags. Thanks for the bites, man. Thanks for the bits, man. I'm jealous. That one. Yeah, that's my background image. Twitch 375, dude. Welcome to the stream, man. Nice to see ya. And I think we just fixed a bug here, and that's pretty good. You guys got on right on time. Right on time. I'm gonna send an email to Twitch and say, you send me the invite, where is my partner? Where is my partner invite? They're probably gonna say, Jeff, you never ask us. Right? I'm gonna say, hey, what about a little partner? It doesn't need to be a full partner, you know, like just 10% partner. I would go with 10% partner. Sniper, we got that. Let's do it. Chime in games. Bam. Depression doesn't exist. MP5. So yeah, we were having a problems. I was testing these guys, these barrels, because we were having an issue where the system was giving us random items, but the drops were always generating the same exact drop. So I guess we just fixed that. Inside joke from KDO channel? Yeah, probably. That's why I didn't got it. Yeah, MP5. Inside job. I don't feel like running that way, but I guess we can test it. Shotgun. Yeah, that's a shotgun. That looks like a shotgun to me. Now we need to add some sort of management in these barrels because I want them to respawn, right? For the alpha version, it's going to be a really quick respawn. Like every minute or every 5 minutes, we're gonna respawn them. And I was telling the guys, I think in the beginning, we're gonna do... where is my drop? Where is my drop, dude? You just fall into La La Land. The game has made a lot of progress. The wiki was gone. Thanks, Master. Let me see here. Yeah, where's my... Oh, it's right there. The thing is covering it. AK-47. Yep, that's AK-47. I was telling you guys, I think besides that we are going to do the blueprints, I want to give like food and because see, now I am already missing water here and I am getting super hungry, and in the game at this point there is no animals or nothing like that we could where is my... I think my thing's falling inside the thing. My drop. We don't have animals and we don't have no way to get water. So probably the only place you're gonna get them will be from those these barrels. Knife. Okay. Okay. Okay, looks good. Let's try one more here. AK-47. Okay. Works, guys. So now it's working. Are they live on Twitch channel? TwitchCon? I think TwitchCon is gonna be live for sure. Can you give us a tour of your room? It's messy. It's messy, Lilybite. I can. One day I can probably set up the camera because right now the camera, it's in there. I cannot move it, literally. Like if I touch it, everything is gonna mess up because I have a AC right behind it, and there's a lot of cardboard boxes to actually put the air. Instead of the air blowing this way, the air is blowing up. So if I touch the camera, there's a bunch of papers that are actually just dinging the camera. So I cannot do it right now, but I probably can. If as soon as I fix this AC thing here, I probably could show you guys the office. It's messy. You can see just by my table here. I can make the screen bigger to see. I was building that PC the other day. Then here you have like all the mixers for the stream. Then I have the Xbox. I guess I have the... Let me see if I find the picture here. I can show you like more or less how the table is. So this is my table. So yeah, so I have the table here, and then here is where that picture ends pretty much, right? And then here is like all the mixers and stuff, but I have the Xbox in there, the PlayStation, and then the PC is actually under the table. It's right here. The PC is in there, right? The idea was to have like a glass, to put a glass in here, but now I have like all the mixers here. I'm not gonna even bother with putting a glass in there. So that audio equipment, yeah. But all those mixers, those, your game looks cool. Money bags. Thanks for the beats, man. Thanks for the diamonds. Yeah, but all these mixers, they are not mine. They are from David. He's just letting me use it because he's not using right now. Otherwise, I would have no mixer. Actually, the thing that I bought was just the compressor, right? The compressor is mine, but like the mixers here, they are not mine. They are not mine. Don't think that they are, because they are not. Hopefully he's not gonna ask me for them, but... Oh, the pictures in the wall? That... So, that one is from LA. It's from an artist from LA, right? And this one right here is just like a game poster. And this one here, I can show you a picture from Google. Let me see here. What's the name of that picture? Let me see. It's from I think it's Picasso. It's a Picasso picture. Of course, not the real thing, right? But what was it? Do you guys what's the name of it? I will remember. No money's for Jeff. Yeah. Tell me the story of your equipment LA artist picture. I probably can. Well, I told that story. You guys that watch this stream, you guys probably know that already. So I can tell you guys another day. I probably can tell you all about it. But yeah. I guess the guys that are watching this stream for a long time, they pretty much knows even the features that I normally don't talk about. They probably know about those features, you know, that I want to implement, but I don't talk about them. People that are watching for a while, they probably know about those. Helper, just trying to remove all the debug from here, guys. I guess these ones I could keep just in case. And let's keep the warning as well. But the debug ones, let's remove. Picasso. Yeah, but it's not the real one. What's the name of that thing? I will remember. I will remember, and then I show you guys. Oh, I remember. I remember. There we go. That's the image that I have in that poster right there. That's the image. It's called Don Quixote. Quixote. That's the image that's in there. Put a glass chip. Richie Rick. Oh man, I wish, dude. I wish. I wish, man. Did we remove all the debug? Where did you get your hat? That was my wife that got it for me on PlayStation Experience 2 years ago. So we went there together, and she made a surprise, and she bought the hat in there for me. And then when we left, she said, like, look what I got it, and that was the hat. And that was the same thing with that poster right there. She bought it for me in LA. Ravioli. Welcome to the stream, my man. How long? It's going to be 10 years. 10 or 11 or 9. I don't know. She knows it. It's in there. You know, it's in there, in that range. It's a long time. I lost the count already. Okay, so we still have some debug logs here. Unity coder, dude. Welcome to the stream, man. Nice to see ya. Nice to see you, man. You're alive. Okay, I think we got all of those out. Playcraft wants to ask me something. Good thing Jess didn't hear you guess how long you're married. Exactly. Exactly. You know how it go, that one. And I'm not gonna ask her. Imagine. Maybe can I ask you something? No. You don't ask that, dude. Don't do it. Playcraft, ask me, man, if you have a question. Okay, very good. Now we need to go back to what we were doing to begin with. So that's the item selector. And we have two ways to select items. And I'm thinking how I'm going to implement the third way. Because now if we check mark random by type, right? And we go here, so if this random by type is checked, I can say here, okay, I want a random blueprints to spawn. And then if we play, we'll get blueprints. But now, besides of blueprints, we want to spawn water and food. So this is what I'm thinking. Can I join the server and play? The server is actually local. That's why I'm trying to fix all these little bugs, James, because then I can create a pre-alpha version and then give to you guys, and then have a server where we can all connect together. So this is what I'm working towards right now, just to get these little bugs removed, and then I can do the pre-alpha. Of course, you guys will find a bunch of bugs still, but like the big ones, the ones that I know that are there, I'm trying to fix it before I do that. But pretty soon, James. Pretty soon, man. Did you, if I read your previous stuff? No, I did not, Playcraft. I could not read it. I didn't read it. I missed it. If you don't mind. Door blueprint. So we got the door. Use. And use. If you don't mind, Playcraft, pasting in. The boss things broke. Really? Oh, the bot was down for some reason. Let me see here. And then reset the slot machine and then reset the boss fight. Is it good? Is it good now? Let me know if it breaks again, because actually the bot had an error here. So like bug testers? Not really. You just tell me if you find something if you want. I'm gonna give you the game to play and then you play it. If you wanna tell me something about it, then you tell me. If you have a suggestion or something you would like to see, or then you tell me. Otherwise, you don't need to say anything. Make your name purple. I'm gonna change it to Lily White. You can steal the code and make a standalone. You could, I guess. I guess you could. Let me see. Are we getting blueprints? I don't remember. Doorway. Use. Yeah. Okay, so we're getting blueprints. Blueprints. Well, either way, if I'm gonna be searching for bugs for you. Yeah, man. To hex more gold in World of Warcraft. Okay, let me think here. What am I thinking is I think I'm just gonna add some very quick code here just to make the thing work. Right? Or item selector. Where am I looking for that interface? Drop item, 5 references. Right here. So we could let's do this. Item selector, let's try an array of this. Oh, okay, wait a second. Because I'm thinking that I could grab multiple item selector interfaces and then ask for the items from those interfaces and then drop them. Right? Resource item selector. Where is the item selector here? The item selector. So what about we do item selectors? Item selectors. And this also could be an array. Item selectors. Let's see how much code we broke here. So this should be 0. James, dude! Thanks for the diamonds, man. Appreciate it. Wait a second. Selectors. Okay, let's see if all that is fixed. Who is the boss? Oh, the boss is still recovering. You guys cannot attack until the boss recovers completely. So where is the barrel? Who's leveling up? Jesus. Slow cool. 86, dude? Thanks for watching, dude. Appreciate it. And Harry Re, I cannot say that, level 10. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Jesus. Unity coder 273. Dude. What a lurker. What a lurker. Where is my... How did I call that? Is it barrel? Yeah, it's just barrel. So selectors. Okay, let's do one, right? We just want to get this to work again. And now where is the let's click here, assets, barrel, that one. I guess I have one barrel in there already. What am I doing? What am I doing, Jeff? Jeff, you're crazy. You're crazy, dude. Save that. Okay, so with all those changes, it still should be working, right? Like we're almost the same person. Sorry guys if I'm missing the chat. I may miss some chats in there. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get stuff done here. I'm not reading as much. I'm gonna keep up. I'm gonna read more the chat, but I know that I'm missing things. M1911 blueprint. So that works. And actually, let me do this. Let me test with the client. See if that's working in the client as well. What am I doing with my life? You tell me, man. I don't know. Everyone stops talking, so there's nothing to read. That's really difficult to happen. Really difficult. Your alter ego. And Playcraft is gonna do the PR. That's awesome, man. Hey friend, what's up? What's up? Let's do it. Let's go together. Grab some loot. Oh yeah. Full of barrels in this game. I like it. I like it. Come here. I just found one. Come here. Where are you? I don't see you. I'm next to the barrel, dude. Right there. Okay. Let me destroy it. Loot in there. And we have loot in there. What's this one? Foundation blueprint. What is this one? Foundation. Triangle foundation. Which one is this one? Triangle foundation. That's good. Is that going to disappear from there? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Bam. Yes. Good. That's good. Let's learn that thing. Dude, you just got my loot. Perhaps, dude. You take so long. You took too long to pick it up. That's why I got it. Okay, so now here's what we want to do. We want to make this a list of item selectors, and that is the list, right? And then we're gonna do this. We're gonna do 4, and then we do selector index, okay, wherever. What did you do? Item selectors dot length. You're driving me crazy. Then we're gonna do this. Control X, Control V, comment this thing out. Congrats, man. Congrats, dude. So, item selector is equal to selector index should be working. Let's try again. See if you didn't broke the entire game right now. I need to stop playing a game. Dude, are you guys playing Destiny already or what? I'm waiting for the PC version. I'm not looking for the raids. I'm not looking for anything. I want to install it in my computer and see for the first time when I'm playing it. And I will be playing it. Just let you guys know, I will be playing it. And I'm going to be streaming. And I keep saying this for the last 2 months. That when Destiny comes out, I'm gonna be playing Destiny and streaming. And hopefully you guys will be playing with me. And do you wanna bet me something? Do you wanna bet something with me? I can do a bet with you. Even though I am talking about this for the last 2 months, when I am streaming Destiny, someone is gonna come to the chat and is gonna say, Jeff, why you're not programming? Do you wanna bet with me? Where is the programming? Even though if I'm saying for the last 2 months, someone's gonna come to the chat and say, Jeff, like, how are you playing Destiny? Just wait. Just wait. You wanna bet with me? Like 1000 XP? There we go. Double pin, that's working. Via Airsoft? Dude. I know that Syrian is buying, right? Syrian is buying. I did not pre-order though. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna wait. When it comes out for PC, I go and buy it. I normally don't pre-order games. It's always that thing. You pre-order and then something goes wrong with the game or... Right? There's no way to return it. So normally I wait. And then you have all the complaints and you have all the things that they're trying to change. And if they make the game good, when it comes out, I go and I buy it. If they still being, you know, trying to be difficult, I say, you know what, I did not pre-order, you're not getting my money. Right? Steam refunds. Sadly, it's Blizzard, yeah. I heard about a bunch of people, they were having issues returning it. Right, so... I don't know, I just wait. And if the game is good when it comes out, I buy it. Right? Okay, so we got the blueprint in there. That's good. So it's working both ways. At least something works in this game. At least something. Jesus Christ, man. Why so difficult? PC didn't pre-order. Yeah, I'm with you, Syrian. No Man's Sky. Yeah. Escapist. I cannot see you not buying. Me too. At this point, I don't see myself not buying it. But I think the game is good enough. The only thing that bothers me with the game at this point is the shaders, right? That's like one-time use and stuff. But what I'm reading about it is that you get so much that it's not a huge deal. But that's one thing that bothers me. But if there was more things in the game that would bother me, then I would not buy it. Right? But I think overall the game, it's good enough, right? Item selector is a scriptable object. Okay, create asset menu. Maybe like Twitch, they will give you a copy. Yeah, I don't know if they will give me a copy. You need to be like a huge YouTube or something. Where is the barrel? This would be consumables. Consumo selectable items. That will be random. Let's do random consumable, random by item type, and then let's go to our barrel here and increase this to that. Is that going to work? Maybe. Well, it's not going to work the way that I want, but I believe would work. What did you think about my ideal? What was it? The game that Playcraft was going to do? I guess you didn't like it. No, what was the idea? What was the idea, dude? Did you just say it? No inventory. I bet my firstborn. Twitch through 75. I'm trying to look your idea, man. I don't see it, James. Did you say it a long time ago? Sorry, man, if I missed it. I released the server. A Matrix PvP zone? Where is your mechanical RBG Chrome Edition laser LED keyboard? Are you sure you're a Twitch streamer? Look, dude. Look, my keyboard RGB. That's my keyboard. I love it, by the way. Look the keys. I cannot use mechanical keyboard. I know that a lot of you guys love it. I cannot use it. With no inventory? Oh, I see. We can wait for your final release. Dude, I think my final release, like the game release, probably 5 years, right? 5 years from now for a release for reals. Just make a updater and update. Yeah. Well, it probably would be that way, right? But I'm saying until I implement everything that I want to implement in this game, it's gonna take a while. And Unity is gonna crash. Do you wanna bet with me that Unity is gonna crash right now? Yep. Just did. Just did. Crashed. Every time you have some stable code. Yeah, that's probably how it's gonna be working, James. Barrel, did I lost my things here? No. So what are we gonna get? AK only? What are you talking about? We should be getting some food here. Why is it not working? Why is it? The developers, why is it not working? What did you guys do? What did you guys do that my game is not working? Huh? Stop doing whatever you're doing. Because it's not funny. It's not funny. Cheat mania. It's not funny, guys. Stop it. Let me do this different. Let's do 4 each. Let's do a 4 each. Resource. The item selector. Let's do... ditch this code. Right? Maybe that works. Where's my Mac burger? Dude, you're gonna make me hungry. I am hungry already. Try sudo. Well, that rm-rf, you need a space in there, bro. You need a sudo space rm space dash rf, bro. You cannot just type like that. That does not work. There you go. Now you got it, Playcraft. You know that McDonald's are closing. Are closed in India because they didn't renew the license? You guys are playing with me. You cannot have McDonald's in India, man. You're crazy. You're crazy for Cocoa Puffs. That's never gonna fly in India. Unless if you're making McDonald's with chicken. I don't even know. Do they eat chicken in India? Maybe. Maybe they do. Campfire. Where is my... I want to make a program where you can code in the program. You crazy man. Finish my first comic. I didn't even knew that you were writing a comic. What is happening? Why is this happening to me? Is this real life? Let's debug. That's what we do. Debug.log. Let's add a filter here and say IDMX drop. And let's do the index here. Let's do... Oh, we don't have the index. Great. Great. Cell dot get items dot count, maybe. Let's see if we get those. I just want to see something. I just want to see if this code is running. Right? Sometimes I don't think when I speak. Well, that goes for me as well. That goes for me as well, man. I need water. I need water in my game, dude. Why my water is not dropping? That's the question. Drop 1, drop 0. What? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Why we are getting 0? So the code is being executed. Oh, wait. Wait. Let's double check something here. Go to definition. Okay. Okay, and then we send that to the server. So we are grabbing those. So we are, well, those little boxes, like the loots that we are getting in the game, those are coming from a pool. That's fine. That's what we want. That's not literally instantiated object, will be like pooled object. Server create from pool. So this is a network pool. As soon as the server creates it, it would create to all clients automagically. Then we add the pickup. If the pickup's not there, we add the component to it. And then we set up our item. So the question is, why is our second thing empty? Well, let's wait for Unity to compile here. Master, I got your link, man. That's the link that must send it over. It's insane. We're trying. Jesus Christ, dude. Hammer's Edge time. There we go. Nothing. Why is this happening to me? Why is that empty? So let's do this. Let's go to the barrel and this consumable here just for testing now. Oh, that's unknown? What are you talking about? I said resource, and I said that. Maybe because Unity crashed. Dude. Unbelievable. Why hero? Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you, man. So hopefully Unity doesn't crash again. Man, I'm hunting a ghost here. For what? Last 30 minutes? What a waste of my time. Because of Unity crashing on me. Nope. Not yet. Stone resource. AK-47. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta higher than Ghostbusters? I think I need, man. Look at those loots. That's what we want to see it. Dude. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 30 minutes for nothing. Stone resource. Oh. And it's not resource. I don't want to get resource from it. I want to get consumables. So people can eat. And not be hungry. Its boss rewarded XP. That is the theory, Playcraft. That's what should happen. If you're not getting the XP, let me know, but that's what should happen. If the boss recover, all the XP that was used to try defeat the boss goes to the boss. That's how it should be. Where is it? Wall blueprint. And we got cooked meat. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. Now we can survive in this world with no animals. Right? We find meat in the barrels. Like real life. Like real life. You need meat, you look for barrels. That's what you do. Raw meat. So I guess we would have to cook that one. We didn't got that lucky with that one. Let's see what's in there. Alright. And then you guys go to college. The teacher said where meat comes from. And then you guys said, of course, duh. It comes from barrels. Someone asked, where meats come from? Dude, you are completely off on this one. You don't know? You're kidding me? Of course that comes from barrels. Everybody knows it. Which planet you came from? Cooked meat? We got lucky on that one. Why I don't get the... Why this one bogged out? Huh? Guess we have a bug in there. Professor Jeff. Looking at trash. Yeah, dude. Raw meat. Raw meat. That works. Well, how? How did we get 2 raw meats? It should be 1 blueprint and 1 resource and 1 unconsumable. What are you talking about? And I'm missing a barrel that doesn't move. Yeah, that's my skills, my sniper skills right there. Oh boy. Are you guys trying to defeat water? So we get water. And this one... Oh, look at that. So if you drink this water, this should go up. Yeah, and then it goes. And this, the yellow should go up. Yep. So, kind of works. But we are having an issue here, guys. Could not find the item 15. Does the item have the database ID set in the inspector? So, for some reason, and I think I know what it is. Item pickup. This is because of... I know what it is. I swear that I know what it is. I'm gonna tell you guys in 1 second when I find out. When I know for sure. Get items. Get random ID. Item type. So the problem is happening here because of this database here. This database is set by the item type, right? Well, but it should be working. Because in both Jesus Christ. First world problem. Thanks for the follow, dude. Welcome to the stream. So watch this. This one, it's going to blueprints. So we should be getting the blueprints database. This one has the consumable. So let me add a debug in this guy. Let me see. Is type, and then we do item type. And let's do the ID here as well. Item DBs type that. The item ID is item ID. Good. Very good. Very good. Made me jump also. Yeah, dude. What are you thinking? You think you can just come in and scare me? You wanna kill me? You wanna give me like a heart attack? Jeff Dev's team puns. Wait to go until my XP is gone. Dude, you need to stop. It's not good for your health. Imagine if you're like trying and trying and trying, and then someone else just come and type one time and gets all your XP. Oh yeah, man. That's about to happen right now. Let me add my filter here. Blueprint. Okay, so that is correct. Triangle foundation and water. I am back. Welcome back, man. Give up on life. Instagram meme page. Oh boy. What is it? Blueprint. Okay. So at some point here, something is getting messed up. So what do we get? Blueprint. And is our other thing fall here somewhere? Yeah. And we got an exception. Blueprint 5. Okay, let's take a look on that. So if we go to our blueprints, 1, 2, 3. So we don't have, well, we do have 5. Blueprint ID 5. 1, 2, 5. Consumables, that will be only 3. That's interesting. Short comic. I kind of want to know who you are here. Get type dot name. Let's do that full name, and just to be more specific, let's see if I can get the class name in there. Use the new extension on Twitch. Oh, by the way, are you guys using that new extension? Is it cool? I never used. Or it will break. I never used that. Is it cool? Do they have cool stuff in there? I guess now that I'm going to the developers conference, I'm gonna learn. It's awesome. I need to try it out. I have a gambling problem. I can see that. I can see that, man. Let's see if we can get our issue here again. Damn. The barrel is not moving and I missed it. Can you believe that? That's my aiming skills. Foundation stairs. Oh, I have the inventory full. That's why I cannot pick anything more. So pick that one. Go away. Raw meat. Let me throw all this away. Do I have learned the blueprints with the other guy? Let me see. Because if I didn't, I want to grab all those. I think you guys broke this slot machine. Jesus Christ. Oh boy. I'm glad that I made the command as a whisper. Because imagine the spam in the chat if it wasn't a whisper. Just imagine that. Who was the idea of make that I think it was Yag. Yag that said, Jeff, you need to make that a whisper. I think Yag that came up with the idea. Oh yeah. Lots of blueprints, that's how I like it. Oh, I have all of it. The small loot box, I don't have it. Campfire. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Give me your stuff. Give me your stuff. There's nothing in the inventory. Well, we got an exception. That was the issue. You're kidding me, dude. Yeah. Why did I got that exception though? Oh, serialized string is too big. Okay. Okay. What is this one? Okay, so we have an issue with the serialization of the backpack as well. Oh my goodness. Playcraft. Dr. Argus! Welcome to the stream, Doctor. Jeff, can you register on Hive? What? So we can support your stream that way. That's a good idea, Coin Hive. Oh boy. Lurking today. So we have a couple of issues here. something there because of the exception. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let me stop this guy. Let's keep trying to solve the first issue. Let's not sidetrack here. Consumable DB model. Items 12 DB. So something is getting messed up right here, right? Because we are asking for the blueprint with the ID of 12, and we are asking for the database of consumable with the ID of 1. And then for some reason, we are trying to find the ID 12 on the consumable database. So the database is getting messed up, or the ID is getting messed up at some point. Right? Right. Item type. Item type. What is this, a enum? Item type enum value. Items. So we are calling this from here. And that is calling get items. By item type. Should be fine at this point. Go to definition. So let me debug this struct here, because we are sending this to the server. Let me see if the client is building this correctly, right? First word problem. Oh dude, 800 XP? What a lurker, huh? Did someone give a XP shower or something? I think it was the XP showers, I think. That's how he got it, 800 XP. For each. That. And that. Item S. Let's do item S. Debug.log. Let's do item X and say the item ID is that and the type is that. So at least we know if in the client side we are setting that correctly before we send to the server, right? So the item ID is, the item ID would be items dot item ID, and the item type should be items dot item type. Let's see what that does. Playcraft, both showered, yeah. Oh, you did tonight, Playcraft? Oh, so there we go. That's how he got it 800. So if you guys did it tonight, that's why. Not that's why, that's how. And we got one more for Ghost Rider. Thanks for the shower, man. How do I attack the boss? That you need to type cheer XP, right? Do cheer XP. But right now the boss is recovering. So it's not gonna happen at anything. Your attack's just gonna be rejected. After the boss full recover, you can do like Clay Cree did. You do a cheer XP and the number right after. No space, anything, and you should be able to damage the boss. But you guys just need to wait a second. So far, so good. If your dog feels bad for another dog. And we got the exception. Okay. So item ID 24, blueprint, consumable 2. The type is consumable. Okay, so what this server is doing? Apply damage. Selection, get items. Drop manager. So we set all that and we send the index message. To prepare myself to watch Jeff. Dude, I cannot drink coffee right now. It's 10:27. If I drink coffee right now, there's no sleep for me. Okay, we don't need to see that. Let's add some more debug log here. Debug.log. Let's do the filter. Let's do let's change our debug log here. And let's do it Let's do the model is, the item ID is. All right. Let's check the database that we are getting in here. Oh no, that's correct. I was like, almost. That's right. So let's do model dot get type dot name, and then let's do the ID here. Let's do simple message data I dot item ID, right? Because we are getting the item type here, and then by the item type we get the database that we should be carrying. And that, let's see if that's correct, and let's check the item ID here. Right, it's one for you, dude. Have any experience with PoE splitter? No, not really. P Nesses, welcome to the stream, man. I know Java and C++. How is Unity different? You mean, how is it different from Java and C++? Is that the question? Because Unity uses C#. If you're asking the language that's being used with Unity, that will be C#. PoE splitter. PoE splitter. 1 second. That's for the network, right? Yeah. Oh, I never used those. I never used. That's to provide power for camera and stuff like that, right? I never used those things. I don't know. I'm afraid to put power on my data, my network. I don't know. I know that's safe, right? It's safe, but I never use those. Mono behaviors. Yeah, mono behaviors, it's a class that Unity provides to you. So if you need to place any game object in the world, you need to have a mono behavior attached to it, or a network behavior, right? If it's a game object that actually exists in your scene, you need that. To the C connector, yeah. I remember looking into it. I was even thinking to build one myself, but I said, nah, I'm just gonna, because I have a couple of cameras in front, and I end up just having the power going separate to the camera, and then having the wire just carry the data. That's what I end up doing after thinking for 2 minutes. Yeah, thanks, Mortal. By the way, guys, if you're new here, there we go. You don't say that I'm rude or something. I keep forgetting. It's almost in the end of this stream. This is the first time that I post the link for our Discord. Sorry, guys. I end up forgetting now because I assume that everybody's in there already. But I know that some of you guys are new around this area of the internets. That's pretty done. Don't like Unity. Well, mono behaviors, they are bloated, but you know, that's what we got. We need to make it do. And we got the issue. $19. Why is it pulling from Why is it pulling from the wrong database? You monster. Database. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Another bug in the system. Who wrote this code? Who wrote this thing? I know if you guys know who wrote this code, please send over to me. Pick up. Oh. Dot. So I cannot set that to null. Okay, so you're trying to be difficult. You're trying to be difficult to me. Right? Don't try to be difficult, otherwise I do that. Otherwise I put a set in here. Okay, I'm gonna put a set in here and say that equals to that. Now what? Now what are you gonna tell me? You're gonna tell me that you cannot do it? No, because you can't. Right? These programmers, man. I know who wrote it. It's just data. Yeah. Man, who writes these bugs? KDO. Was KDO, dude? Was KDO. I know that was KDO. Blame KDO. He did it. He did it. Actually, KDO, I'm gonna send you the link. I think I still have the link. I'm gonna search for it. I'm gonna send you the link so you can send the request for the. As soon as I finish the stream, I'm gonna look for that link and I'm gonna send over to you, so you can request the ticket. Okay. Remind me if I forget. Okay, let's try now. Let me to, yeah, I sent to you, James, if you want. I want to send to you guys. No problem. I can, you know what I can do? I can send you, I send you in a whisper or something. I send you the link in there. Door blueprint. There we go. Where it's located, I'm gonna find it, James. I need to find it. I need to find the link. I don't have it. But I sent over to you guys. So far, no exceptions. That's pretty good. Oh, the location of the event is gonna be... It's 1 hour driving from my house. What's the name of that? TwitchCon. TwitchCon. Where is it? Long Beach, California. Yeah, you gotta play craft. It's Long Beach. What? Oh boy. That's some skills right there. Run. Run. $1,000 plane ticket? Where are you flying from? Japan or something? I don't think my paycheck will cover it. Vancouver? $1,000? Are you crazy, man? Are you flying like first class or something? It cannot be $1,000. You're just lying right now. Water. Let's drink some of that water, dude. Eat some. That's good. No, first class. Are you serious? Like $1,000, man? That's just nonsense. So okay, looks like we have no exceptions anymore. Let's just do a really quick test with the client, and then we can go to the next little bug. I want my water. No oxygen or peanuts. Where is KDO? Are you still there? Or did you sleep already? Because KDO was saying, I don't think it's gonna be $1,000 for KDO for the tickets. I think it would be like $1,000 with hotel. KDO, it would be $1,000 for you with hotel and everything, right? It's not just the tickets, right? How much will be just the tickets for you? Water and MP5. Yeah, for everything. Oh, including food? Plane will be like 200. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking, that at least inside USA, I was thinking maybe, I don't know, going really, really high would be like 300 or 400. Right, water, MP5. But like $1,000? Jesus. Water, MP5. Okay. Two nights, 3 days. Dude, I cannot wait. I cannot wait, dude. And that... we got an error here. Game manager inventory. I see. I see that, people. Where's my other box here? There we go. So we are getting the item. It's just that we are having a... there is an ID getting messed up here. Let me try to do it again. I got some. Why? And I'm on it? Dude. I wanna see it. I wanna see it. Let's run. Where is it? So let me clear the logs here and see if we get something. MP5. Yeah, so the second time looks like we didn't get it. In water we have one. And yeah, we didn't get it. So what we need to do is where is the drop manager? The pickup here, go to definition. Where is the item? That comes from item pickup. Go to definition. Item. Where is the property though? Oh, it's in the get item. So this thing here is not working properly. Go to definition. Go to implementation then. So let's try a weapon item. And we are resetting this here. Because right here, every time we create a new item, we are creating a new ID here for it, even though we are passing the data. Okay. So, I think this is our problem. Item dot base data dot is equals system dot to string, because right here what's happening here is that we are just grabbing from the database, and this database is our scriptable objects database. So always it would come with the same ID from that same ID that we have in the scriptable object database. Silence Toad. Let me see, I got your link, master. Got your link, man. Oh boy. What if I help you finish that computer back there? You sell it for a year, then we split it. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like, I think, what was that? Litecoin? Litecoin was getting up really, really fast. Who was it? Was I think it was Mystic Cities. Mystic Cities was telling me, "Oh, you should look the price of Litecoin, right?" Because I have two Litecoins, and I had looked like, I don't know, 2 years ago, and was like, it was worth it like $20, like both of them. And now I just looked again when he told me, and it was worth it like 140, right? Yeah. Dogecoin is greater than Litecoin. I remember that Dogecoin when I was mining for Litecoin. I remember that. Double the value in 2 months. Yeah. I don't know. They go up and down like all the time, but they normally like they go up and then go down. They go up, but overall they are going up, right? That's kind of like how I see it. Okay, let's try again, boys. I think we got it. I think we got it working. We got it working. I'm gonna go to American Got Talent, and I'm gonna sing in there. We got it working. I think I'm gonna win. Poor guy. Jesus Christ. Oh, at least I have a sense of what sounds good. At least that I have. What? Heavy ammo. What are you talking about? I think I had fixed you. I even sing the little song. You're making me. Let's try it. James, I got your link, man. Just give me a sec. I will vote for you every time. Oh boy, imagine, dude. I'm gonna dye my hair green again, and I'm gonna go. Say so, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing because Myrtle said that I was a super good singer, and I believe on him. I believe on Myrtle. Force quit. Yeah, just crash then. I got your link, James. 1 second, man. Let's see here. Dude, that's the link that James sent over. 1 Bitcoin. What's the first one? 1 Bitcoin is all that? 4,240. Dang. And I think when I was mining, it was 2013 or 2014, was around that era. Right? Was around that time. And it was difficult, at least in my head, because I did it for what, like a month? And I got 2 coins and I say, dude, this is so difficult. Add item. Okay. Thanks, Windows, just to throw everything in my face here. So get random. I need to find where is this. So get items. Okay, then we call the server. There we go. Base. So we do base item dot base data dot unique ID is equal to system, not system info. Nope. System dot that dot new to string. Okay. Let's see if that does it. I did for 6. I just bought them instead. Yeah, well, I guess if you have money and you just buy and sell, you probably can make money that way. I got 120 because I didn't get paid for 2. Faster than mine, yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have money. I don't have that type of money, man, to put on. You know. For 9.4. I don't know. The guys were talking that Ethereum was really high. The prices. So I guess you're a millionaire right now. Well, hopefully. Yeah, let's see some of those monies. Playcraft. Where's those monies, dude? Where's my loot that my friend got it for me? Door, no error. Raw meat, no error. That's good so far. So where did you shoot? So probably there. I will take it. Okay. And we're still having the issue. What's up with you? And the same ID. Inventory ID. No, that's a different ID, but it's telling us that we have that already. How? Tektuma. Dude, nice to see you, man. Long time I don't see ya. Welcome, dude. How is everything going? How is your stream going, man? Breakpoint help? Not really. Not really. Very busy camper. Yeah, man, that hopefully for a good reason. I've been busy, but I'm busy because I'm working. It's just killing me. But yeah. Oh, again? Okay, crash then. Crash. And I reopen. Just too little time. Yeah, it's the same thing with me. Now I need to stream less and less. Well, not less and less. I kind of got like some days that I can stream, but item no, item type. Let me double check. UI item pickup. Yeah. I got some days that I can stream at least. Now. Item pickup. Go to definition. What are we serializing this? No, we are not. We are just using it, the messages, to sync the items. Okay, science, let's add this in here. Item dot base data dot unique ID is equal system new dot toString. We are doing, I'm adding everywhere where I'm seeing until I fix it, but then after I fix it, I need to go and remove get item data by ID. I need to go and remove everywhere else, right? It doesn't matter, but we don't need to do this everywhere. It's just probably one place that's getting messed up. Item. Drop item ID. Full-time job. New studio. Time is killing me. Yeah, it's the same thing, Tektuma, for me. I am normally I wake up in the morning, work all day, get home. If I can, I will take like 30 minutes and rest for a little bit, start streaming, and then literally I need to stop streaming, go to sleep, and wake up next day. And some days it mess me up because they keep me there late, and they say, oh, can you come tomorrow like earlier? And then those days I cannot even stream. But Papito, welcome to the streamer, man. It's been a while. It's good, Papito. It's good, man. It's lower development, but it's good, man. Everything is good. Who is asking for this guy here? So it's in there. I don't know why I have it here. If the property is in there. I normally have my variables close to my properties. I don't know how you guys do it. I see some people, they put all the variables on top and then they start doing the properties. I have the variable, the property, the variable, the property. That's how I do it. What's your day job? Now I'm doing computer tech, Tektuma. Before I was doing full stack backend development. But now I choose to do computer tech because I don't wanna get mentally tired, right? Because computer tech, just building computers is not a lot to it. So you don't need to fry your brain to build a computer. It's just a no-brainer, right? So then during the night I am able to work in a game. Amaridine? Thanks for the follow, appreciate it. So that's the reason, right? So I'm doing computer tech so I don't get my brain fried during the day, and then I can work in the game during the night. Because I was thinking, dude, if I go back to back-end development during the day, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna be fried. James, I'm gonna send you the link, man, later, for sure. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, man. He's a stripper. Yeah, I send you the link, man. No worries. No worries, man. He's a stripper. How do you know? How do you know my secrets? Huh? How you guys know my secrets? Stripper. You monster. Dude, I used to do network admin for a while. It's a very demanding. Of course, if you're dealing with a big network, it's demanding, dude. I can imagine. I remember. Databases, backups, and everything needs to go through you. And if you get some companies if you get some people in the company that actually are not that dumb with computers, you're good. But if you get a company that you're doing like network admin for it, and the users, they have no idea how to use a computer, I'm so sorry for that admin, man. I'm so sorry for it. Jeff, full-time mimer. Oh my Jesus Lord. Jesus Lord was a fire. You guys remember that one? What? Look. Sign in. I am signed in already. Duh. Okay, let's try one more time, guys, before I call it. Where is my barrel? Finding the mouse? Oh my Jesus. Silence. You got it. I am leaving and you're getting in here. Where is my barrel? Okay, let's find another one. Let's go to that one. Where did you shot, dude? Where is it? There? Let's do it. He's still a memer there. Oh, that was ammo blueprint. Where's my other? Yeah, go. Cooked meat. Okay. Do one more for us, bro. Can you find some more loot for us? Oh yes, I have a sniper. Look at this. Go get it. Let's see if that helps. I am not sure that if it's gonna. I'm not sure if it's gonna fix it, but we can take a look in it tomorrow. Sway. Thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it didn't fix, guys. So there's something else going on. But that's going to be for episode number 437. Season 8. Right? That's going to be for tomorrow, guys. Let me save everything. Save project. Feels rare. I don't see the KDO. I don't see that feels rare. It doesn't show. It's showing it in the overlay because I don't see it every time you typed it. I didn't see it. Oh my god! Don't leave. Jeff just started. No, I did not. 48 hours. Jeff stream starts now. And then I get fired. That's what happens. My system for picking things. It's getting pretty complicated. Yeah, dude. You need to be careful, Mortal, because it's really easy to get, you know. In Brockhouse. I'm leaving, man. Welcome to the stream, but I'm leaving. Yeah, but I have that BTTV. And I don't know if I have gifts enabled. Maybe that's what I'm missing then. Because I have that BTTV thingamajigger. I'm taking off work tomorrow. Oh, dude, I wish. I'm taking off now normally on Sundays and Mondays. No. Who is streaming? Who is streaming right now? Huh? Let's see if we can host someone. Let's see who is streaming. Who you guys want to see? There we go. I'm gonna pick one here, and it's going to be a surprise. It's going to be a surprise for you guys. He's a really nice guy. He is a really nice guy. Jeff Dev, super chill. Thanks, James. Later, dude. Syrian, thanks for stopping by, Syrian. Yeah. KDO, Silence, Playcraft, Mr. Syrian, Claycree, Techtuma, all of you guys, and everybody else that's watching this stream. Thanks for the follows. I really do appreciate. KDO, thanks for that huge host, man. I really do appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thanks for the follows, everyone. If you guys are new here, let me give you the Discord again so you don't say that I'm rude, because I keep forgetting to invite you guys there. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this stream. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And I probably not going to be streaming tomorrow because of my job, but Friday I'm gonna be back in business. So yeah, I'm not gonna be streaming tomorrow, guys, sorry, but Friday we are back. I'm gonna play one more song, and then I'm gonna be hosting someone. Playcraft, see you, man. James, thanks everybody. Master, Papito, thanks, guys. I'm gonna play one more song, and then I'm gonna be hosting someone for you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys, and see you Friday. Bye bye, guys.